Hi, how are you doing? I have a question which I need done. So you can see something like this here. What I want to do is when I want a custom CSS that I can put here, custom attributes right here. What that allows me to do is shrink this background image right here, the one here. You can see to the size of this mobile device. So the whole picture is in here, and that's what I basically am looking for. I don't really know how to do that. If we go to inspect, I don't know how that's really going to work. Yeah, that's probably not the right thing, but yeah, that's what I need something like this, or something like even this, to be shrunk down on one screen, like on the screen like this. Let me know if this is something possible, and if this is something you can do. I'm not sure how this would work, so yeah, get back to me. Thank you.